This case study shows how a brownfield cable factory doubled its output from 350 to 650 tons, unlocking 85% more production capacity without purchasing new machines. A leading Egyptian manufacturer transformed its 20-year-old extrusion lines into a data-driven environment in just 4 months. This resulted in an 85% production increase and a 40% scrap reduction with 0 new machines. The challenge was running blind with 0 visibility of key metrics like extrusion speed and die pressure. Manual reporting made bottleneck tracing and performance comparison impossible, leading to costly reactive maintenance and significant downtime. Niotek implemented a non-invasive intelligence layer. This involved connecting legacy PLCs and integrating 20-year-old analog sensors without stopping production. Live dashboards replaced logbooks, enabling real-time control and automatic bottleneck detection. The factory shifted from reactive to data-driven operations. Monthly production jumped from 350 to 650 tons. Material scrap was reduced by 40%, and cycle stability became stable, providing actionable insight. By stabilizing cycle times and optimizing synchronization, the factory achieved a production surge, nearly doubling its output capacity from 350 tons to 650 tons. Technically, the solution included seamless legacy integration from 20-year-old controllers and high-frequency analytics for real-time monitoring. This made the factory future-ready for digital twin simulation and predictive maintenance. In the words of plant management, we didn't need new machines. We just needed to listen to what our old machines were telling us. This led to unlocking 85% more capacity through software and process intelligence alone. Discover the hidden potential in your brownfield factory. Contact Niotek to assess your capacity.